everybody, and welcome back to another video. As I said in this first video, waiting for the CRJ, this time waiting for its replacement part. It's here. It's finally here. We have this envelope they sent me with the nose gear for my crj-900, which did not come in the box when I opened up my brand new crj-900 last week. As you can see here, hold on, let me move this up. That's the side with the gear, and then no gear. Oh wait, sorry, there we go. No gear, gear. So you can see that there. Kind of disappointing from Gemini Jets because, I mean, I expected something like that, but like I expected the wheels to be too close together, which they are, but I didn't expect to have to get a whole new replacement part. But it's here. It's been about like 2 weeks, and it's finally here, maybe a week or two. Yeah, I'm going to open it now. Really quick before I start, shout out to Will Ribeiro. I don't know how to pronounce your last name. I think it's Ribeiro. But you're the one that sent me the my jet2.com antenna. If you haven't seen that video, it's an old one, so go ahead and head back, and I'll link that in the description. But he helped me out and got me my antenna for the for the Jet2 737-800. It didn't come with an antenna, so he helped me out with that. And now the Delta crj-900 nose gear. So thank you so much, Will. And yeah, let me get right into it. So here we can see it just says just the airlines distributing ink. It comes from Las Vegas, from their headquarters, Gemini Jets. And now, let me see, I'm awful at opening envelopes. Let me just kill it. Yeah, just absolutely murdering this envelope. Okay, and here we go. Here we see it's in this airplane shop, what do you call this? A business card. And let's open it up. It looks like it's like taped in here, glued in here or something. And here it is. Oh wow, they gave me a whole new nose gear. So here we can see in this bag, there's the nose gear. I asked them for a wheel and they sent me a nose gear, so that's exciting. I don't have to spend too much time with the glue and can just put on the entire wheel. So let me open this up. Something about these are so small that when you're taking it out, you get nervous. All right, there it is. There we have the nose gear. All right, so I'm going to try to get this on. I'm not going to make you guys watch me struggle through that, though I can get this camera out of my face when I'm doing that. But I'll show you guys in a minute. Thank you so much. I didn't know I was getting a nose gear. I thought I was getting a wheel, so that's actually a great thing. That way I don't have to like struggle to put that tiny little black thing on there. So thank you so much, Will. I'm going to get to it now. So it's been about a day of drying glue, and now I finally have a proper-looking Delta crj-900. Thank you so much, Gemini Jets, and I don't want to mispronounce your last name, but Will Ribeiro, for sending me this replacement piece. It looks great now that it's on there, and I actually ended up I didn't take off the entire front gear because it would be too hard to pluck out, and I didn't want to break the model. So instead, I just took the one of the wheels off of that one and put it on here. But thank you so much. It looks great now. But aside from that, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.